Hi everyone, it's Miss Connell. Just wanted to pop on and show you guys how to submit your attendance in case um, you have missed it or forgotten how. So you're going to first start by logging into our Google Classroom and you're going to click on Daily Attendance. Okay, once you click on the link, it's going to take you to our McGlone Academy website and you're going to scroll down. You're going to scroll down quite a bit until you get to Lobos 3rd through 5th. Underneath, there's a daily attendance link, okay? Once you're there, you're just going to click on the date, and it's already in a box, so it should be pretty easy. You just click on it. Your child's lunch number, their first name, last name, grade level, and their teacher, Miss Connell. Once you're done, you just click submit, and your attendance is done.